Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a to-do list on your Outlook. Now log into your Outlook account can be on an application or on your web browser. But now I'm using the web browser. And once you're already on your homepage, go ahead and proceed with this left panel of your screen, and then there's an option to click the icon, the checked icon, and that's the to do. Wait for it to load. There you go. You can already you can already plan your day ahead, add tasks or anything, the things that you need to do for the day or for the next week or any other day. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that this video helped you. Bye guys.